In this chapter, we will cover key concepts, exam tips, practice questions, and have a Q&A session. Let's get ready. In this chapter, we will cover the essentials of review and exam preparation for constitutional law. We will delve into key concepts and cases, discuss effective exam strategies and tips, provide practice questions and answers, and wrap up with final thoughts. Let's get ready to ace those exams. Welcome to the introduction slide of our chapter on review and exam preparation in constitutional law. Today, we will discuss key concepts and doctrines that are crucial for understanding and applying constitutional principles in preparation for your upcoming exam. Let's dive in and get ready to ace that test. In this chapter, we will delve into key concepts and doctrines essential for understanding and applying constitutional principles. We will explore topics such as the separation of powers, federalism, individual rights, and the role of the judiciary in interpreting the Constitution. By mastering these concepts, you will be equipped to analyze and evaluate complex legal issues within constitutional law. These principles are not only crucial for exam preparation, but also for your future career as a legal professional. The ability to apply constitutional principles in practice is a fundamental skill for any lawyer, and this chapter will provide you with the foundation needed to excel in this area of law. Case law, also known as precedent, is a crucial aspect of understanding how legal decisions are made in the future. It serves as a guide for judges on how similar cases should be decided based on past judicial rulings. Case law provides a precedent for how similar cases should be decided in the future. This means that past judicial decisions serve as a guide for determining legal interpretations and outcomes in upcoming cases. By studying case law, law students and legal professionals can understand how courts have applied the law in specific situations. This knowledge is essential for preparing arguments and building a strong legal case based on established precedents. Additionally, familiarity with case law helps individuals anticipate potential outcomes in their own legal matters based on how similar cases have been resolved in the past. It ensures fairness and predictability in the legal system by maintaining consistency in decision-making. The landmark case of Brown v. Board of Education established the principle of desegregation in public schools, marking a significant step towards achieving equality and ending racial discrimination in education. By overturning the separate but equal doctrine from the Plessy v. Ferguson case, the ruling emphasized the inherent inequality in having segregated facilities and highlighted the importance of integration for true equality. This case showcased the Supreme Court's role in addressing social issues and promoting justice, demonstrating its commitment to upholding principles of equality and fairness in society. Brown v. Board of Education serves as a powerful example of how legal decisions can shape social norms and promote justice for all individuals, continuing to be studied and referenced in discussions about civil rights and the judiciary's role in promoting equality. Roe v. Wade is a landmark Supreme Court case that legalized abortion in the United States, based on the right to privacy implied by the Due Process Clause of the 14th Amendment. This decision has had a profound impact on reproductive rights and women's health, as the Supreme Court ruled that a woman's decision to have an abortion falls within the right to privacy protected by the 14th Amendment. Despite being a significant precedent in constitutional law, Roe v. Wade remains highly debated and controversial. It has been the subject of ongoing legal challenges and political debates, highlighting the complex intersection of law, morality, and individual rights. Marbury v. Madison is a pivotal case in American constitutional law that allowed the Supreme Court to declare laws unconstitutional, shifting the balance of power among the branches of government. This decision strengthened the role of the judiciary in the American government system, giving them the authority to interpret the Constitution and check the power of the other branches. The principle of judicial review, established in this case, has had significant implications for American law and politics, shaping how laws are enforced, and defining the limits of government power in the United States. Constitutional doctrine is the foundation of how the Constitution is interpreted and applied in real-life situations. It's like the rule book that guides how our rights are upheld and how the government operates within the boundaries of the law. Constitutional doctrine plays a crucial role in shaping how the Constitution is applied in legal cases. It guides the courts in interpreting the Constitution and determining the boundaries of rights such as freedom of speech. Additionally, it has a significant impact on individual rights and government powers by balancing the rights of individuals with the authority of the government. For example, in cases involving the Fourth Amendment, constitutional doctrine helps establish when law enforcement actions are considered constitutional. In essence, constitutional doctrine provides a framework for interpreting the Constitution, ensuring the protection of individual rights while maintaining the proper functioning of the government. The doctrine of judicial review, as established by the landmark case Marbury v. Madison in 1803, allows the courts to interpret the Constitution and strike down laws that are found to be unconstitutional. This power serves as a crucial check on the other branches of government, ensuring that no law or executive act can violate the Constitution. For example, in the case of Brown v. Board of Education in 1954, the Supreme Court used judicial review to strike. The doctrine of separation of powers divides the powers of government among the legislative, executive, and judicial branches. This division ensures that each branch has its own responsibilities and powers, preventing any one branch from becoming too powerful. Additionally, the system of checks and balances in place prevents any single branch from dominating the others. For example, the president can veto legislation passed by Congress, but Congress can override the veto with a 2/3 majority vote. Other examples include Congress's ability to pass laws and the judiciary's power to interpret laws. These examples demonstrate how each branch of government serves as a check on the others, ensuring that no branch exceeds its constitutional limits. All right, so when we talk about implied powers, we're basically referring to those powers that the federal government needs to get things done, even if they're not specifically listed in the Constitution. These powers give the government the flexibility to handle new situations without having to constantly change the Constitution. In this chapter, we delved into the fundamental concepts of case law and constitutional doctrine, stressing their importance in interpreting and applying constitutional law. We explored key cases and doctrines that play a significant role in shaping the legal landscape. In today's review session, we delved into key concepts in constitutional law to help you gear up for the upcoming exam. Remember, grasping the underlying principles is just as crucial as memorizing the cases. Keep questioning, keep exploring, and best of luck with your studies. Thank you for your attention.